Hey guys, this is Kritika Singh and welcome back to my channel Biology Gurukul. Today our topic is weeds. We are going to study about weeds today, and in this video we are going to understand the meaning of weed, characteristics of weed, types of weeds, classification, advantages, disadvantages, and control measure for weeds. So all these things we are going to cover in this video. So without any further delay, let's get the video started. Let's understand what is weeds first. Weeds are the unuseful or unwanted plant that grow out of their place or at the place where it is not needed. It interferes with a variety of human activity and cause tremendous loss to crops. Weeds being wild, persistent and competitive in nature, they act negatively with the humans and others. Generally, weeds are plant or unuseful plant which grow wild, especially on the place that is cultivated and to the exclusion or injury of the crop. Vacant spaces between the crops are filled by weeds itself. Next we are going to study characteristics of weed. Right now we studied meaning of weed. We are knowing what is weed. Now we are going to see characteristics by which we can identify that it's a weed plant. Characteristics. So the very first characteristics of weed is seedling grows at very faster rate. That viability of seeds remain intact even if they are buried deep in soil. Next point is weeds are prolific in nature and they have high reproductive capacity. Weeds can thrive even in adverse climatic conditions and seedlings germinate at very faster rate. Weeds are unuseful, unwanted and undesirable plant. So this was all about characteristics of weeds. Next we are going to see types of weeds. Generally, weeds are classified on three types. First one is annual plant, that is annual weeds. Second one is biennial weeds. And third is perennial weeds. Annual weeds are those weeds which cover their shelf life within 1 year. Biennial weeds cover their life cycle of within 2 years. And perennial weeds cover their life cycle within 3 years. So this was all about types of weeds. Next we are proceeding to classification of weeds on specificity. So under this, on this basis we have three types of weeds. First one is poisonous. Second one is aquatic and third one is parasitic. So poisonous weeds are those which are poisonous in nature. They cause harm to human beings or animals which consume them and result in death. These are usually harvested along with fodder plants and animals consume them while grazing. Next one example is Dhatura plant. Next one is aquatic weeds. Aquatic weeds are those which grow in water or complete a part of their life cycle within a water are known as aquatic weed. Example is water hyacinth and last is parasitic weeds. Parasitic weeds are those which depend upon other plants for their survival. Plants which depend partially on other plants for their survival are known as partial parasites and they affect the shoot system of plant. But plant which depend completely upon other plant for their survival are known as complete parasite and they affect the root system of plant. So this was all about classification based upon specificity. Next classification we have based upon morphology. First one is grassy, second one is sedges and third one is broadleaves. Grassy weeds are those which comes from grass family and have characteristics like long, narrow, pointed ends and example is Cynodon dactylon. Under sedges, weeds are cyperus and rotundus and under broadleaves or dicotyledon plants come under this classification. Example is Diagera arensis. Next classification we have based on stem. So under stem, weeds are divided into three types: woody, semi-woody and herbaceous. Woody weeds are those which have their trunk made of wood. Semi-woody have a trunk made of partial wood, and herbaceous weeds have their stem made of their wood stem. Examples of woody are Lantana camera. Second one, semi-woody are Croton parsiferous. Third one is herbaceous plant are Amaranthus viridis. Next classification we have based upon origin. First classification is exotic and second one is indigenous. Exotic weeds are those which are native to the country and are not much harmful. Example is Abuleton indicum, and second one is indigenous weeds. These weeds are introduced from outside the country and are very harmful to others. Example is Phalaris minor. So this we completed classification of weeds. To see advantages of weeds. So very first advantage is weeds. Some weeds are fed as fodder to the animal. Second one is some weeds are used as medicinal plant. Some weeds have a leguminous root and they help in nitrogen fixation to the soil. And all the weeds help in adding organic matter to the soil because they continuously grow and die. They help in compaction of the soil and making proper aeration, and this also reduces soil erosion. So this was all about advantages. Next we have disadvantages. So very first disadvantage of weed are they are poisonous in nature. They increase the cost of land. Some weeds harbor insect pest pathogen to the crop plants. Some weeds increase the cost of cleaning where they grow. So all these things are advantages and disadvantages. Next we have control measure for weeds. So very first method is cultural method. Second one is mechanical method. And third is chemical method. So cultural method is the most common way of controlling weed. In this method, planting is done in a very close way and no vacant place are left. So no weeds can grow in any vacant space. So this was cultural method. Mechanical method is done by pulling, hoeing, mowing. This kind of activities are done to control weeds. And in chemical method, chemicals are sprayed over weeds to kill the weeds. And but it is done in extreme condition only because crop plants are also get harmed. So this was all about weeds. If you all want, you all can ask me in the comment section to make a detailed video on this topic. And if you like the video, share it with your friends, turn the black thumb blue and subscribe to my channel so that you get regular updates whenever I'll upload my next video. Till the time, goodbye, have a nice day.